welcome back to my channel again. We are going to study about photosynthesis and phases of photosynthesis. Firstly, organism acquires energy through one of two major modes: autotrophic nutrition or autotrophs, heterotrophic nutrition or heterotrophs. Autotrophic nutrition or autotrophs means an organism they can prepare their own food, also known as self-feeder. They can prepare their own food using sunlight. The best example is plants and algae. Plants and algae prepare their own food uh, through the process known as photosynthesis. Number two, heterotrophic nutrition or heterotrophs. The organism cannot prepare their own food. Rather, they depend on other organism. The example is animals. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on other organism. The next is the site of photosynthesis in plants. The chloroplast is the main site of photosynthesis. So chloroplast is found on the surface of leaf. What is meant by photosynthesis? If you break down photosynthesis into two, photo means light. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. Meaning the photosynthesis is the process where plants make their own food using sunlight. So what is photosynthesis? It is a process through which green plants make their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Is known as photosynthesis. This is the chemical equation for photosynthesis. Do sunlight do chlorophyll do. Tale 6 molecules of carbon dioxide do, 6 molecules of water do, 1 molecules of glucose do, 6 molecules of oxygen do. So any 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water is converted into 1 molecules of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen by plants using sunlight and chlorophyll. This is called photosynthesis. The phases of photosynthesis. So there are two phases of photosynthesis. Number one, light reaction or light dependent reaction. Number two, dark reaction, light independent reaction or Calvin cycle. Let us look at some of the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction requires light. Dark reaction, it does not require light directly. Light reaction, it occurs in thylakoid membrane because thylakoid membrane has chlorophyll. The dark reaction occurs in stroma. Light reaction produces oxygen, ATP and NADPH. And dark reaction converts carbon dioxide to glucose. These are some of the few differences between light reaction and dark reaction. So Analu, this is the structure of chloroplast, and this green structure is called thylakoid, and this is known as stroma. Now in thylakoids the light reaction take place, in stroma dark reaction take place. Kasi be thylakoid nalu the light reaction take place by, because thylakoid has chlorophyll. When the light strikes on the chloroplast, the light is absorbed by chlorophyll. Now this light energy split the water into oxygen at the same time, ATP and NADPH. Now this oxygen is released into the atmosphere and the ATP and NADPH is used by dark reaction or Calvin cycle. Now the dark reaction use ATP and NADPH during the conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose. Again, NADP and ADP is recycled back to the light reaction in order to re-energize, and the cycle continues. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.